What's up guys, it's Zenny and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved these beautiful nails right here. And yes guys, these are press-on nails and they were only $6. So I was in the store the other week and I was just walking by and I seen these and I was like, ooh, these are cute. I want these. So I got them, and as you guys know, like, we can't go out and get our nails done like we used to because we're all in quarantine right now. So I felt like, you know what, let me try these press-on nails to see what they're like, see if I like them, because I've never tried on press-on nails like in my adult life, and they have become really popular here lately, and a lot of nail techs are actually selling press-ons too. So I was like, ooh, let me try it. And you guys, I absolutely love it. Like, this might be the new thing. Like, if you're one of those people that don't like to spend a lot of money on your nails, I feel like press-ons are perfect for you. And I just like the fact that, you know, they're cheap, they're easy to apply, and you can, you know, switch it up as much as you want to without paying, you know, so much money to switch your colors. And these are perfect also if you're in between nail appointments or you have an event to go to and you don't have your nails done. You can pop these on and you're ready to go. And you guys, I've had these on for, at this point, for about an hour, and they have stayed on. Like, they don't feel wiggly at all. So I love these, and I'm gonna show you guys how I apply these nails. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I start off by just showing you the packaging and the colors that I have. So my pack came with a pink nail, some glittery nails, and also some marble nails. So right here you just see me unpackaging it. It comes with over 10 nails, so you can select which nails fit your fingers the best, and it also comes with a glue. So right now I'm just taking the nails out and trying to see which ones fit my finger the best. This can kind of be a tedious process depending on, you know, how your nails are, but after about 5 minutes or so I was able to find all the right nail sizes for me. I have sorted out the nails and I have measured them for each of my fingers. So now I'm going to start applying the nails. So I am taking my nail glue and I'm applying it to my fake nail. I don't apply a lot, just a little bit, enough to cover the bottom part of the nail. So after I do that, I'm going to gently place the nail onto my real nails, and I'm trying not to press them down, just trying to gently place them because the directions on the package said not to press them down. So I'm just gently placing them, making sure they're right, and then I'm going to repeat the same process for each nail. And you're going to see me here just measuring each nail one more time before I apply it with glue. So I do recommend that because sometimes our eyes deceive us, and you know, just to double check to make sure it's right. So I'm going to complete this same process for the rest of this hand. So I have one hand complete already. I'm just showing you guys my progress, and I'm going to go ahead and do my other hand with the same exact process. So this is the finished product, and I absolutely love them. They look great, they were easy to apply. I have no complaints about the application. It was great, it was flawless. So yeah, so I would highly recommend you guys go check out these nails. I'm going to link their website below, and I'm also going to list stores that you can buy them in person. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.